I'm Ben Prime, and I'm here to show you my new colour change, the satellite change. This is what it looks like. And the satellite change is one that I've been doing for a few months now. It's a really visual colour change that you can do. It's a fun little trick that I really enjoy performing, and I think it's a really nice one to learn. It's quite technically challenging, but I always like the challenge there, and I'm sure that you will too.